When it comes to real estate investment, the seasoned investors often seek opportunities that offers long-term potential. Typically, they invest in pre-launch or soft launch of the new projects as these tend to offer higher appreciation potential. Residential properties are the choice of such investors due to their lower investment risk. On the other hand, the seasoned investors who are comfortable with the higher stakes may opt for commercial properties where calculated risk can bring higher appreciation. However, the property under review today isn't tailored for the speculative investors seeking quick financial gains. It is designed with the end user in mind. The focus here is not on the potential price increment, but the quality of life it offers. This means that the elements such as the build quality, the residence profile, and the amenities takes precedence over the speculative growth value. Today we'll be diving into one of the most talked about project on the Dwarka Expressway by Experian Group, which is totally 100% backed by FDI investment. The project promises living experience that promises great lifestyle, making it an ideal option for those making it a home rather than going for an investment. Hello and welcome to the Real Estate Matrix by the White Hat Reality. In the Real Estate Matrix, we take deep dive into the unbiased and well-researched reviews of residential projects, one at a time, so that you make a clear understanding of each one. Today we'll be looking into Experian Vincent, a ready-to-move-in project on the Dwarka Expressway in Gurugram Sector 112. We will break down the pros and cons of this project and give you the detailed overall plan. Our team has broken down the project analysis into 7 key points to help you easily understand every aspect of the project. We'll go over the location, project highlights, floor plans, possession timelines, amenities, developers' background and pricing. And of course, at the end, we'll share our final recommendation, what we proudly call White Hat advice. So make sure to stick around till the end to get the full benefit of this detailed research-backed review. Now let's get started. Experian Vincent is located in Dwarka Sector 112, approximately 800 meters from Dwarka Expressway. The project sits along the Delhi-Haryana border with easy access to the Najafgarh-Bajgera road nearby. The area is surrounded by Bajgera and Rajapur on one side and New Palam Vihar on the other. The vicinity boasts numerous luxurious ready-to-move-in and under-construction projects, including Shobha City in Sector 108, Tata La Vida, Smart World 1 DXP and M3M Capital in Sector 113. M3M Crown in Sector 111 and Godrej 101 in Sector 79. Additionally, the developer's own project Experian, the Heart Song, is just 4.8 kilometers away in Sector 108. While our channel has been covering and making reviews of the projects in Noida and Greater Noida, we are excited to announce that we'll be covering these projects quite soon, as well as the other residential projects in Gurugram as well. In the project's vicinity, several commercial spaces are available, including Conscient One, which is a 10 to 12 minutes drive away at approximately 4.6 kilometers, and M3M SCO 113, which is also quite close. Overall, the location is relatively developed. However, there is one notable drawback concerning its immediate surroundings. Adjacent to the project is a village area, which may create a somewhat isolated feeling for residents. Additionally, the approach lane to the project is narrow, potentially leading to inconveniences for daily commutes. On a positive note, a connecting road is proposed to link this project to Dwarka Expressway, which might improve the connectivity for the project even better. The distance to IJ Airport is approximately 19 km, while Yashobhumi IICC is about 11 km away. The nearest metro station, Dwarka Sector 25, is located roughly a 20-minute drive from the project. Spread across a vast 23.4 acres or approximately 94,821 square meters, Experian Vincent is a residential project designed with a unique architectural approach inspired by the Saptarishi concept. The development features 7 towers strategically connected by duplexes built between them, creating a seamless and aesthetically pleasing layout. The project offers a variety of residential options, including 4 BHK and 5 BHK villas, named Whistling Palms and Whispering Willows. There are 14 units of 4 BHK villas and 21 units of 5 BHK villas. Additionally, the duplexes, referred to as Wandering Birds, are positioned between the towers with 6 duplex units available in each section. This design helps maintain both privacy and a sense of community within the project. The 7 towers also house exclusive apartments and penthouses, branded under the name Waving Tea. Each tower stands at G plus 27 floors and offers a total of 563 residential units. With only 24 units per acre, Windchants is a low-density development, allowing for a greater sense of openness and tranquility for its residents. The apartments comes in various configurations, including 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, and penthouses. In each tower, only 2 units are available per floor, making for a total of 54 units per tower, offering a more private and spacious living experience. The duplex units positioned between the towers feature G plus 7 floors and include a lavish green terrace area that adds to the project's overall appeal. Each tower has been equipped with 2 elevators, ensuring a convenient lift-to-apartment ratio of 1:27, which is particularly advantageous for residents, reducing wait time and enhancing overall comfort. A standout feature of Windchants is its expansive 60,000 square feet clubhouse, which provides a wide range of premium amenities. The project is designed with approximately 80% of the total area dedicated to open space and greenery. Incorporating all these features, the project offers a sprawling 250,000 square feet of activity area. A notable highlight is the vast green walkway that spans across the terraces of the duplexes, which is also a part of this activity area, adding a touch of nature, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a peaceful and spacious living environment. In addition to its premium apartments, the project's structure incorporates Maivan shuttering technology, ensuring durability and earthquake resistance. For daily needs, the project includes on-site society shops for residents, ensuring that essentials are always within easy reach. The parking solution is equally impressive, with a 2-level basement parking facility along with stilt and open parking options. In total, the project provides 1,602 parking spaces, allowing an average of 2.8 parking spots per family. Overall, it provides a low-density, premium living experience near Dwarka Expressway, with design and amenities that cater to luxury home buyers. The project offers wide range of unit choices catering to diverse range of home buyers. You will find options of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK along with 4 BHK and 5 BHK duplexes. In addition, there are multiple villas available in varying sizes. Altogether, the project offers 25 different configurations, allowing the buyers to make their choices and preferences as per their requirements. The project offers big size units, even a 2 BHK unit featuring a spacious super area of 2,441 square feet. The second option is 3 BHK available in 3 sizes, that is 2,802 square feet, 3,600 square feet and 3,716 square feet. For those seeking larger spaces, the third option includes 4 BHK apartments offered in 2 sizes, 4,730 square feet and 4,848 square feet. Additionally, the project provides duplexes with 4 BHK and 5 BHK configurations, boasting super area of 6,471 square feet and 8,515 square feet. For those interested in villas, 4 BHK and 5 BHK options are also available. The project's floor plans are designed to cater a premium living experience, even in 2 BHK units, which include a study room, house help quarter, and powder room. Features uncommon in this category. 3 BHK apartments also come with spacious living and dining area, along with a house help quarter connected to the kitchen via a utility space. In larger 3 BHK units, that is 3,600 square feet and 3,716 square feet, there's an additional entrance lobby. And in the 3,716 square feet unit also includes a multifunctional space for added flexibility. The 4 BHK apartment in the project offers efficient space utilization. Both the regular and entrance lobbies add a functional touch, while the family room is integrated with the living and dining area for a practical layout. The design of 4,848 square feet unit is similarly well planned, reflecting the same thoughtful approach as seen in the 4,730 square feet option. Duplexes in this project come in 4 BHK and 5 BHK configuration. The 4 BHK duplex features a double height living area and a family lounge on both floors. The dining area is spacious, matching the project's overall category. Both floors offers terrace access, with the lower one including a jacuzzi. We have already filmed this one and we did like you to take a look at it. The 5 BHK duplex follows a similar layout but is more upscale with additional features to set it apart. For those interested in villas, these are premium and thoughtfully designed. For more details, feel free to contact our team. We would love to hear your thoughts about the floor plans. Would you consider this project as your future home? Please do not hesitate to share your comments and feedback with us. We would appreciate it. The project was launched in 2012 and possession started being offered by the end of 2016. It falls under the ready-to-move category with a significant number of residents already living there and occupancy level are quite healthy. The clubhouse in the project spans a large 60,000 square feet, designed to accommodate the needs of the resident. Approximately 80% of the area is open and dedicated to green spaces, which is a positive aspect in terms of providing a natural environment. In terms of amenities, the project includes features like biodiversity ponds, a steam room, sauna, spa, mini theater, outdoor barbecue area, restaurants, and an open-air jacuzzi. While these facilities are aimed at creating a premium living experience, their actual usability and maintenance should be factored to consider when evaluating the overall value of the project. The developer behind this is a Gurugram-based real estate firm, 100% FDI backed by Singapore-based Experion Holdings Private Limited. This company was established in 2006 and till date they have delivered 8 projects covering a 5.5 million square feet of area. Their portfolio spans a variety of developments including townships, land banks, hotels and resorts across Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Gurugram. One of their newly launched residential projects is Experion Elements in Noida Sector 45, which we recently discussed in our recent video. Other distinguished residential projects by the developer includes the Heartsong, the Westerlies, Experion Capital and Experion Virsa. While some of these projects received a great response from home buyers, others garnered mixed reviews due to concerns regarding construction quality. Since the project was delivered long back, therefore fresh inventories are not available, but those who are interested in the project may get their units in resale. The units on resale are available in the range of 15,000 to 1,615,000 rupees per square feet, depending on their PLCs. In the vicinity of the project, there are several other promising ready-to-move-in options. For instance, Shobha City is currently priced around 19,000 to 21,000 per square feet. Tata La Vida is trading at approximately 15,000 per square feet, while a value for money project like ATS Cocoon is available at around 13,000 to 14,000 per square feet. Additionally, the developer's own project, Experion the Heartsong, is trading at around 11,000 per square. For more detailed information regarding the pricing of the project, feel free to contact us on the number displayed on the screen. We will be more than happy to assist you. The location of the Experion Vincennes is a big drawback. However, aside from this, the overall value proposition of the project is quite good. The price point at which this project is currently trading compensates for the location. If you are looking for a property on Dwarka Expressway and are interested in a ready-to-move options, Experion Vincennes offers more value for the money. Being a ready-to-move property, you also have the advantage of speaking with extensive buyers about their expenses with the project, which can significantly aid in making such an important decision. This wraps up today's video, where we explored a promising project located on Dwarka Expressway. We provided the honest assessment of the pros and cons of the Experion Vincennes. If you have already visited the project and have insights or feedback about it, please share with us. That could benefit our other viewers also. If you are finding our content valuable, please do subscribe to our channel. For assisted site visit to any project, you may contact our team on the number given below. Catch you in the next video. Take care and see you soon.